Hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. So guys, in this video I'll be giving you best Python courses for free of cost. Please check out description for those courses download link. um, the courses are on Python. If you don't know about Python, let me tell you that Python is a very fast growing programming language, and it is very easy to learn, and it is the fastest growing language in nowadays. Many people are learning Python rather than other courses, and many big companies are using Python. For example, companies like Google, Netflix, Quora, and many other companies are using Python. Those applications are made up of using Python, and it is very easy to learn from other languages. So it is best programming language to learn. And sorry for this video because this is a short video, not we can say YouTube shorts, because it is more than 1 minute. So I just wanted to tell you about Python, and I told you about Python. And if you want to download this course, you can check out description box. Thank you, see you in the next video.